Good morning, YouTube girl. We are back in the garage. It is Sunday. Rich just told me the fog light is out. We got the light from Amazon. We're gonna check and see if it fits in here. Oh, I hope so. Oh, we just gotta push it back out this way. Yeah. And I get the little bulb there. I can take that out. Let me see if this one comes with a bulb.
Start from here, I guess.
Holy cow.
Oh, come on, that little spot.
So here it is. This component is different than the new LED one, so we got to figure it out. All right, so Rich took the bulb out.
Yep.
And then we ordered this from Amazon, and he's going to plug this one in here, and we'll have a newer light. All right, Rich is plugging it in.
I think this is like a little ballast or something. Or power inverter or something.
Okay.
It just hangs there.
Oh, but then we need power. It's just one color. I wish it was blinking like a blinker.
Oh, it's like so it's like a cornering light.
I like it.
You know, remember the cornering lights?
Oh yeah. Okay. It works. It works. And this is how the original side looks. So.
To make my life easier, I've taken my wheel off, but you don't really have to. You can turn your steering wheel all the way to the left.
He's gonna turn the car on to see if this works before we put the other one in. It's working! Yes! Yes! Yeah.
However, I think it must have been glued to there.
Yeah, they had to glue it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, so here's the driver's side. The casing is still in there. That one didn't come out. He's gonna replace the latch. Perfect.
You see, now you can do it like you're supposed to do it.
This side in first.
Yeah.
It's a little groove thing, and it pushes into this metal of the bumper.
Supposed to anyway.
Gonna turn the car on to make sure that it works. It's working! Yes! That concludes our video. The brakes or project car day 4 or 5, I don't know. But I decided to record to see if the light. That looks so nice. Okay, this is amazing. Rich, this is nice.
Look,